Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be diving into my Sephora haul. My shipment finally arrived, and so I decided to go ahead and do like a first impression for you guys. These are all new products that most of them I've never tried before. Quite excited at the results of what I'm getting. Of course, some of them are like, you know, hits, and then others are like misses for me personally, okay? And so we're gonna go ahead and dive into that. Enjoy the video. I do have here Danessa Myricks foundation. I am going to try this on. I'm very excited to do that. I'm also excited to try on, this is her Water Matte Lip Pigment. That's exciting for me as well. I also have here the Fenty Gloss Balm Dip. Okay, we're gonna do all of that. All of the things, okay? The Danessa Myricks Power Bronzer, and it's a matte bronzing and shaping cream. We also have the Rare Beauty Pore Diffusing Primer. It is something that, you know, I desperately need, and so I'm quite excited to try this on as well. And last but not the least, I did get the Patrick Ta. I believe this is the contour, so this is the Cream Contour and Powder Bronze Duo. It's very exciting for me to try it on, as I've been eyeing all of this stuff for a while, for a good minute. So yes, let's get right into it. I'm going to be using the Rare Beauty Discovery Eyeshadow Palette. True to Myself is the name of this particular eyeshadow palette. That's why I wanted to try it. It was like, you see that? And it has a little bitty mirror, and it says you are rare. Oh my gosh, yes, yes for that. All right, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Body Primer. I believe it's like 3 matte shades here, and of course it's very pigmented. It's Rare Beauty. I literally love Rare Beauty. I love what it stands for. I love the message behind it. All right, so we are halfway done with the eyes, but I want to go ahead and start on my face, okay? And so I do have here, like I said, several shades of, I believe it's like, ooh, it's a lot. I have here like 5 different shades of the foundation plus concealer. Ooh, that's 06. This is 07. Oh yeah, ain't no point. There is absolutely no point of going further than that. I think my shade is the 06 because 07 is going to be too dark for me. Before that, I'm going to try out the Rare Beauty Pore Diffusing Primer. It's like a lotion. It's like you're applying like a thick cream on your face or something. Yeah, this is how I look at it. Ooh. Ooh, I feel like it's more... I feel like this is giving me lotion. Let's go ahead and pump it on my hand. It comes out very, very thick, extremely thick. I do have my sponge here with me, and this is the e.l.f. sponge. So I'm gonna try that on my face using, ooh, I feel like it's darker. Altogether now is 5 pumps. It comes up so little. I mean, I feel like the pumps are so tiny. Yeah, it's definitely a bit too dark for me. But this, like I said, is the lightest shade that I got, because I actually thought I would be darker, which is such a beautiful thing. The fact that like the lightest shade that I got is dark for me. Very, very beautiful. It's also supposed to be foundation and concealer. Okay, I mean, I'm glad this is literally how I would have worn it, because I want more of a full coverage for sure. So the concealer I'm going to use is the Rare Beauty concealer, and I have it here in the 480W. I really love this concealer for real. Like, I do need something a bit lighter than this, so I'll probably end up with my e.l.f. one. Love, like when I tell you that Rare Beauty always comes through, I mean it for real. I also have here Patrick Ta, which, my gosh, can you see? Can we take a moment, okay? The packaging alone is gorgeous, and then you just open it from right here, and of course that's the mirror, and I don't want to blind you guys, but this has the contour and the powder bronzer. The shade of this one is she's chiseled, and it's like a that's how you know. Anyways, it is like, it has a little door, like a little cover to like help out, so I guess so that the powder doesn't mix in with the cream. I do genuinely feel like she's chiseled is a bit too dark for me. So I don't know, we'll go ahead and try it out ourselves and see what it is, okay? But I do think it's a little bit too dark for me. Oh wait, yes, I'm freaking out over nothing. I'm like, where is it at? Do I need to like break off the first layer? Oh, it's very clean for sure. Can you say it? I'm like, okay, wait. I thought it was gonna be like really dark and... Oh, I see it. I see it. It's definitely wet. Like I'm like, did I wet anything? You know, it's coming off extremely wet. I just feel like it's not coming, it's not transferring as, it's almost like I have to dip it a few times just to get what I'm looking for, I guess. I'm gonna move on to using Danessa Myricks Matte Bronzing and Shaping Cream. I'm gonna use that for my forehead. Ooh, I definitely see it. I know y'all see it. I know you guys see it. Let's go ahead and set it because way too much cream. Like for me, with oily skin, I'm very, very nervous. That's crazy. I wonder how people literally use like cream products, like a full face using cream products. Like how do you survive? Without powder? How is that even, how? So I'm gonna set my face, I'm gonna set the contour using the Patrick Tar powder. I don't know, I feel like I was expecting a bit more, like, I don't know, it's almost like I have to like keep piling it on for me to get what I need, if that makes sense. Cause I'm just like, yo, I'm using dense brushes and I'm still not getting it. It's like I keep trying, you know, like I keep scraping and I keep trying, but I'm not getting like my desired. I don't know what it is. Yeah, I'm not seeing it. And it's not mattifying me up like I thought it would be. Nah. So I'm gonna use my, I don't know, I was excited. I really was excited, but no, y'all. I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution Mega Bronzer. And this one is in the color Dark. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. I just needed more pigment, maybe. I think that's what it is. Because with this one, I can't even do too much because like, it literally shuts me up every time. Like, it's just like, why? Like, don't do too much, you know? That's what I was expecting. I was expecting bronze and not like, I don't know. I feel like Patrick Tar just wasn't, I keep saying Star, I'm sorry. Patrick Tar, I don't know. I just feel like it wasn't as pigmented. All right, so I'm gonna use the Danessa Myricks COLORFIX Matte. This one is in the shade Desert Rose. Ooh, all right, so this is clearly a lot and I do need to go ahead and mute that, so I will, because why would I walk around with this like this on my face? I think this is better. I think this looks better than the tragedy that I put on. I did a lot, so please do not be like me. And I did a lot, I used a lot, so don't use a lot. Okay, learn from me and don't use a lot. I don't know what I was thinking. It's because I was rushing. I do have the Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm Dip, and this one is the Clip-On Lip Luminizer in Fenty Glow. I'm not really sure genuinely how to use this, but okay now, all right? Okay, and it does have a clip for real. Now, how realistic is this for me? That's a different question, but it does have that. So I think I'm supposed to be like, I'm just gonna try it out on my lips. Again, I have to use my hand. Okay, I literally have to dip my hand in there. Can you see all the mess I made? I was like, I don't see nothing. Oh, okay, this is a lot. I clearly did a lot. It's very interesting. I mean, does it remind me of the Gloss Balm? Yes. But I have to use my hand to do it, and you literally have to dip your hand in there, like, you know, get a scoop, if that makes sense, or else it's not gonna show initially anyway on your lips. As far as like highlighter or anything, I don't necessarily see it. This is supposed to be a gloss, the Danessa Myricks COLORFIX Glaze Long Wear Gloss Eye, Lips, and Good Shake. Okay, I do get color. A little bit too much, but I got color. Okay. Yes, this, I'm definitely gonna, ooh, not it staining my teeth. What is that? I'm gonna line my lips using the MAC Chestnut. It would be like a bit of sticky, but like not too much, but like there. Definitely I feel like The gloss bomb that I just used from Fenty is gone. It's nowhere to be found because this is matte. You hear me? This thing is matte. Okay, when I say it's matte, it was matte for real. It's matte, okay? But I really love this. I love the way that I look now. I really think that, you know, it came together. I love the color, the COLORFIX. Love it. I love the matte for sure. I'm gonna try to put a little bit of gloss on it, but I really love the way this looks. Like I feel like I'm about to mess it up. You can see it a little bit. You can see a little something. I'm gonna run through each product that I used and then go ahead and see what works and what didn't work. The Rare Beauty Primer, it's definitely something that I would use again because I'm very curious to see what that does, especially to the foundations that I currently use. The eyeshadow palette, I really love the palette. The foundation, the Danessa Myricks foundation, it does work for me. I think the only issue, as far as like, it definitely gives me full coverage. And I think, I don't know, today I was a bit heavy-handed with all of the products that I used, honestly. And I want to say that this one really, really worked as far as full coverage because it does say that it has that. Now, if you obviously want to make it sheer coverage, they also give you that option as well, okay? But I'm full coverage. I love medium to full coverage, so this works for me perfectly. Now, the shade is not necessarily mine. It doesn't necessarily work for me. This is a W06. I feel like I should have used a 5 or 4, or you know, I should have went down and not necessarily go up. Doesn't make sense? So I bought like 6 and up rather than me buying 6 and down. Okay, so this is a bit too dark for me personally. Okay, it's still very much so giving me dewy right around here, but everywhere else looks good. It's just this dewiness I can't get past. I've tried so much to powder it down and see, like, it'll stay like this and then 2 seconds later it gets back to dewy. So I don't know what that's about, to be honest, but I do want to get this in a different shade for sure. So the next thing I did use was the Patrick Top for Face Bronzer and Contour Duo. I really love the packaging. The packaging speaks to me, okay? It's really like a nice piece to just put somewhere. As far as what's in it though, the products in it, to be honest, they didn't quite work out for me. So now the next thing is the Danessa Myricks. Which one is this one? This one is the powder bronzer in the color Deep. To be honest, it worked for me. It's even more pigmented than I thought. Very much so. Now this is the color Deep, right? And I'm not sure that this is the darkest color, but honestly, I feel like it did what it had to do. I obviously, like I said, was very much so heavy-handed this time, okay? So I did pick up a lot and I used them on my forehead, and look, I used the color Desert Rose for my cheeks, and I again was very much so heavy-handed, and so that was a problem trying to fix the problem for sure. It was definitely a huge problem, okay? You can't really see it though, which is probably why maybe I shouldn't have done too much as far as trying to mute out the color. I thought it was a bit too much when I put it on, and maybe it wasn't. So I feel like I can see it, but like not too much. Does it make sense? I wish I could see a little bit more, to be honest. But yes, it does work, especially the same one is the one I use for my lips, and I think that personally I would use it more for my lips than I would use it for my cheeks. Does it make sense? So I really love the way that it looks on my lips. Like, this is the pigment and you can't even see it. I mean, you can see a little bit, but not too much, right? So that's what I would say. I would say this one works for me, but I like it better for my lip, okay? I got the shade Cupcake in the glazes, and honestly, could I do without this one? Yes, because I'm not really seeing it, okay? Now, if I put this by itself on my lips, I probably would have seen it more, but yeah, I feel like I would rather the matte than the glaze for sure, okay? Because I didn't really see it, you know, like I put it right now and like I'm able to see it, but like, I don't know, this one I'm not too fond of. Maybe it's the shade also, to be honest. It could also be the shade. So the very last product that I did try was the Fenty Beauty. This one is the Lip Luminizer. Wait, where's the whole package? Yeah, this one is the Lip Luminizer. It is the Gloss Bomb Dip, and it's the clip-on one. Realistically, I really just want to see whether or not it matches off with the Gloss Bomb. A little bit, you know. The only thing obviously I don't care for is the fact that I have to use my hand to actually swipe through with it. But and then even with this one, I had to like obviously dig, like it was literally as if I was getting a scoop for me to really get something. But it's cute. It's really cute. Like, it really is cute. Like, for those that, you know, carry small purses or something. I mean, to be honest, I'm like, even if you do carry a small purse, like, I mean, to be honest, if you do carry a small purse, I feel like this would be perfect for you. But it does have a clip-on for those who, you know, you carry a big bag and you're not trying to get it lost in it. Then you can obviously put that there. Are there more options for me that I currently have than this? Yes, there are, and I don't necessarily need this. Okay, and I do carry small purses, but trust me, whatever purse I carry, this is gonna fit in it. It ain't that much different, okay? Like, this gonna fit now, okay? I don't know if this is the reason why, but my lips is definitely sticky. Like, when I do this, like, y'all see the stickiness is definitely sticky for me personally. And so, yeah, I would just rather go with this. I like this one better. I think that's it, you guys. Overall, I'm really glad with the products that I used. Again, this was my try-on, you know, first impression. And there's certain things I'm like, yay, and there's certain things I'm like, I don't really need for real, okay? I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And also let me know down below what your thoughts are regarding the first impressions. Have you tried any of these products? I mean, these are all the products that I received recently from Sephora. So I'm quite excited, to be honest, that I got to try it on. You know, I love trying out stuff for real. I really do. So it makes me very happy, obviously, to, like, you know, try them out. I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Don't forget to be kind to yourself as well as others around you. Bye, y'all.